What's up, everybody? I'm here at Vossen in Miami, and that is Diego with his GS F, and I love his car. And I know a lot of people think I might have had some influence on his decision. He's a really huge Nissan and Infiniti guy, and he just had that Ford GT350, but I didn't. Had nothing to really do with him picking up the GS F. He's always loved the car. His brother has one, and I'll put a link to his video. What a beautiful car. So visually, I think it's really hard to beat this combination, and me and him will go over that real quick. Diego's always had, to me, really good taste with his modifications. 9 times out of 10, I love what he's done to his cars. This is no different, and we'll divulge a little more. Starting off with Tom's Racing. So, you know, big fan of these guys. GT500 winners, huge heritage in racing. Everything they do for Aero is tested at Fuji. So as a full Tom's Racing front splitter, dry carbon. You can see the Aero right there. So it's kind of like the LC, right? Just not as wide with the air that flows through. A Vossen Hybrid Forged HF1s. Those are the stock orange calipers. Nitto Invo tires. You can see again the Tom's Racing. Sorry. And you can see that carbon fiber. So it shows really good. And then again, it has the Aero fin right here. You got the Tom's badge right there. This is, for those of you that do know, hopefully you do if you're following my channel, the OEM carbon fiber spoiler. So as you can see, it matches with the Tom's carbon fiber. And then that beautiful, beautiful rear diffuser. I'll get a little closer. So you see the fins right here on the rear bumper. Look at that beautiful rear diffuser. It just gives yourself this really badass mean look. I mean, this is the way it should come from the factory. No offense, guys, Lexus. This is fabulous. And the Hybrid Forge HF1 wheels, I think we did 9.5 in the front, 11 in the rear. So with the gunmetal, it really matches the overall theme of the car, and then you get to see those beautiful orange stock Brembo brakes really well. So you can see you also added the carbon fiber side mirrors. I believe he's now coated his glass with the glass transparency. Oh, and I did say is Nitto Invo tires. So yeah,
and then I
stock on the inside. Things on the phone. What you think about your car, Diego?
Love it. Best car I've had.
Really? Yeah. What's your favorite part about it?
Probably the interior.
The interior?
Yeah, definitely the interior. It's perfect daily drive.
All right, everybody, I'm going to shut this down. I'll have more on Diego's GS F soon.